Trap? Trap? It's time to open the trap back up, dog. Trap? Lines I ain't doing in these streets out here, man. These streets called the trap, baby. I got birds going in, I got birds going out. I got birds that I will, I got birds that I miss. I got birds that I chill, I got birds that I free. I got birds coming in, I got birds that I put it on the scale. Trap? Trap? Trap, baby. I got birds going in, I got birds coming out. I got birds that I will, I got birds that I miss. I got birds that I chill, I got birds that it beating out the dish. I got birds that I really freeze it up. I got birds that I put it on the scale. I got birds, man, that really coming on the block. The way them jackets coming up from home. I got birds every time, man, they flying in they leave. I got birds, man, price so low, like Walmart. Price coming in like Walmart. Bricks sold out, now you really get your shopping cart. Every time I'm grinding, every time I'm getting back. Got some pretty girls that want me, then they really wanna fuck. I got rich girls, man, they want me, then they wanna fuck me. They wanna suck me real good, man, they want me lick that pussy like a envelope. And they want me give it to them real good. They ain't never met a trap, baby, that grind so hard. Got birds going in, I got birds going out. I got birds, man, they leave. I got birds come and drop. I got birds, man, come and place your order. Come and get it, come and hurry up and buy. This the trap, baby, man. I got birds going in, I got birds going out. I got whipping up them birds, I got whipping up them men. And I whip them real good, and I mix it real good, and I gel it real good, and I freeze it real good. Trap, baby. Trap. I got birds going in, I got birds going out. Trap, baby, I got birds going in, I got birds going out. I don't really whip it in, I don't really whip it out. I don't really cook it up, I don't really mix it up. I don't really gel it up, and I don't really freeze it up. I don't beat it out the dish, I don't put it on the scale. I don't really cut it up in grams, and then I went back on the block. I watch out for them cars, yeah, they coming on the block. And I watch out for them robbers, cause I will bust they head. I really kill that they don't never get no fuck. I really do that shit, don't even get no damn nigga. I'm a real street nigga. Trap? Trap? It's time to open the trap back up, dog.